Some more about too much age. No matter so more so my page in the man say ya up with so na o sa able to make e busia video a trending on social media a Russian guy or a content creator I will be more Ghana I be na friend ya chela now sir advantage may be obedi and the motivate ya me video we crap on the spread of HIV said HIV is still in the system to the extent so when you're very careful obey to be so easily. Ebusia abranti aba Ghana be spending just a few months in Ghana na a ma odu ometi aka from no and odu omechi aka from no e bro 3,000 ye ma me no bika ho as a matter of fact me ko hu video bi krapoa obi a me hu video no me classmate na ebusia obeka say you true and na me no ka say abranti aba responding to all the bashing that's going on social media to the extent say what delete most of the videos on Facebook, TikTok and on Instagram because or a content creator me study say no say and you know go on about Ghana I say cartel a group of people now on which may be a mudiano send you be creating comedy skit no maybe any say or finding a way of luring ladies into bed now as a matter of fact a coin of us away man no or swan up on more on what time area or a crambo a one on our bedroom dan na oshiawa ohun ni obeka ho eni bibia so na wo ka ho na ye nia ma no yetimi ho say true say bi dey and I say bibi no some way now when a couple of videos are my chance on
so thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Just come with me. I show you how I live. This is my room.
Okay.
This is my kitchen.
Okay.
You live here?
Yeah, 1 year.
Work here. You live far from this place?
20 minutes.
You want after work go home?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm here. I'll leave in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you again.
Sorry, can you help me? I can't turn on the microwave.
Just a moment. I'll be
Yes.
Mind coming?
Microwave. No. Are you married?
No.
How old are you? What?
How old do you think I am? I'm 32.
32. You look very younger.
Everybody says that.
Well, okay. Later, please. I would like to know you better, know you more. Okay, a little more. Because I like how you look.
Okay.
You look very good. Hi, how are you? You look very good.
Thank you.
Are you working here?
No. I came as a customer like yourself. So where do you stay?
I stay here. Come with me.
Okay.
Now. You live with your parents?
Yes, I live with my
Этот вечер снова ждет тебя другой. Это он украл любовь у нас с тобой. Не ходи к нему навстречу, не ходи. У него гранитный
Good, thank you, and you?
Yeah, you look like one of my friends. That's why I rushed.
You look very good.
Yeah, thank you. What's your name?
Vyacheslav.
Oh,
I'm from Russia.
you're from Russia.
Yes.
You look like one of my friends. That's why I rushed. I was calling my name.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Sarah.
Yeah, I'm Sarah.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
22.
22. Okay. Where are you going?
I went went to the mall, but I went to work and sometimes so I went back and forth.
Okay. Can I see you in the evening?
Okay, sure. Where you stay?
I stay around 5 minutes walk away.
Oh, okay, you stay at an apartment.
Yes, yes. On the right.
So I will get your number.
Text me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
I have Russian number.
It's class.
Yeah.
Class 1. And I will start a fashion on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, yes.
I'll text you on WhatsApp. So in the evening.
Huh?
I'll text you so that in the evening.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Посмотрите, до чего он хорош. Но на дороге ты его не найдешь. Попробуй сделать сам. Не буду я тебя учить. Человек был нож. И серый ты шути. Хочешь кровь? Ну что ты?
Now, it was a room here, say, and money you had to me, which come from. You are one particular girl or try some person or Lueno. But let me say, or you're single, but in as much as or you're single, no, she will not give you so follow Bruni Petaway and knock on the bedroom.
Where are you from? Hello.
Oh, I'm from New York, but she's from
New
here.
York.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You live here?
Yeah, I live here in Ghana.
I need Marina Mall. I want to find boat driver.
Boat. Okay.
But busy.
You want me to order for you? Try Uber too.
Let's go to Marina Mall.
You want to order to Marina Mall?
Yes. Okay, I would like to see you in the evening.
What?
In
Is
the
that your
evening.
wife?
In the evening.
That's your wife.
No, I'm alone.
You want to see me in the evening?
Yes.
Why?
I'd like to know you better. I like how you look. You look great.
Kumba.
Text my number. I have Russian
No.
number.
No.
Why? Are you married?
No, I'm not married, but no.
Not. Okay.
Let me check in and then.
One moment. Text me on WhatsApp.
When in your echoes on social media, Nagana for booth, boys in the booth say, and my ye talk at Chobukan or Mumbusuma, Ubako Switcher. It was here, Uber Switcher, Uber Consu, Uber Sinyama, Uber Chess school fees by him Biesuma, Brony Pete Baya, or say, what's your name? Can you follow me to where I stay? No, so okay, no problem. Then they follow. Now, Yama minimum penny follow be crying a mass seminal. I have a way. Minim say also a comment up as I drop message in the drop a comment or comment section. My send a do house by GSM. We not finish no. Remember, we feel so best subscribe my page. Me at the man. So, send a app will be also now. We start a bit to make up. Maybe see when you now cause we are apparently the common the comedy I would really say Ghana ma cheap. It's in the way Brunia over African Quadia a very cheap wa. Now all recommend Ghana Emma Brunibia because of the way a man I embarrass you more Eddie Amano.